KM Entertainment.
Thank you, Lord, for waking me up every day. I'm able to put my voice on this microphone now, cause it gave me strength. Now I got to give thanks to you every day, now and then. Glory, 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 glory.
If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm gonna free my mind. If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm gonna free my mind. If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm gonna free my mind.
Yeah, most of lot you niggas wanna sit me down. Niggas like me are scarce, man. Now remember some years back, me and my boy Mafuso, man, booked in one of the biggest gig in my hood at that time. I couldn't afford to put bread on the table. All they wanted was to see me walking the street, not even afford to buy myself a pair of shoes. Damn, what's wrong with the promoters? They just want to use us. We got some bills to pay, niggas. Suppose they got 10 kids to feed. What do I do when I get back home? 14 rums? Damn.
If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm tryna free my mind. If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm tryna free my mind. If I do had you nigga pull that trigger, kill me. I'm tryna free my mind.
CityBirds, my music still constant, no competition. Since I won the game, I just keep tripping. This new school thing ain't tripping. Delivery, kill hip-hop kids. I never made the music to disrespect, but just feed my kids. I'm tired of the game, rust the mind, let it be. Like I keep fire burning. I run around and I feel like I'm blazing. CityBirds, that's my name. LKM, that's my team's name. Nigga wanna see me how I do. I made it up to this level cause I cope. Who are those niggas to stop my music? Mama tell me that I should stay calm. Why should I forget that I'm from Christian family? I'm on my knee now, mama homie now. Now I'm on my knee now. Where would I be without you, my local? Yeah, if I do have you right here on this beautiful track, just pull a trigger, kill me. You know, but I don't feel you got power to there. My Lord God is right here with me, and I just wanna give thanks to Him. Since I started doing music, the whole lot of career I like Jesus.